Which of the following is a common factor to the two polynomials given above? We have two polynomials right up here. So if we look at first polynomial, it is factored already, right? So let's factor this polynomial right here. We have x squared y minus 2xy squared. So common factor is one of the x and one of the y's, right? So this is equal to common factor xy times, we have one more x here and we have 2y here, right? So what are common factors of these two polynomials? We have y here, so common factor is we have y and x minus 2y, so times x minus 2y, right? So the correct answer is C, y times x minus 2y.